In this exciting video, we're going to uncover the 3 best ways to make money while traveling. Whether you dream of sipping piña coladas on a tropical beach or hiking through rugged mountain terrain, we've got you covered. Get ready to turn your wanderlust into a lucrative opportunity. Join me as I share insider tips, personal experiences, and practical advice on how to fund your globe-trotting dreams. From freelancing to launching a travel vlog, brace yourself for a wild ride filled with creativity, adventure, and financial independence. Get ready to unlock the secrets to living your best life while earning a living on the go. So grab your passports, pack your bags, and let's dive into the mesmerizing world of travel-based money-making. 1. The first method we'll explore is freelancing. Picture this: sitting on a picturesque balcony overlooking an exotic cityscape, working on your own terms, and soaking up the local culture. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with freelancing, you can make it a reality. Whether you're a talented writer, graphic designer, or social media expert, there's a world full of remote job opportunities waiting for you. 2. Travel vlogging. If you have a passion for storytelling and capturing breathtaking moments, then travel vlogging might be your golden ticket to financial freedom. Imagine getting paid to document your epic journeys, share travel tips, and inspire others with your adventures. With platforms like YouTube and Instagram, you can turn your love for travel into a full-time job. 3. Remote work opportunities. Now let's talk about another exciting way to make money while traveling: remote work opportunities. Many companies are embracing the remote work culture, giving you the flexibility to be anywhere in the world while earning a steady income. Whether you're a digital marketer, customer service representative, or software developer, remote jobs offer diverse options to suit your skill set. And that's a wrap, my fellow wanderers. Remember, life is too short to stay rooted in one place. With these 3 incredible ways to make money while traveling, you'll be able to fund your adventures and pursue your dreams on your own terms. So what are you waiting for? Dust off your suitcase, start planning your next trip, and let the world become your office.